Hackathon 2025. Problem statement title: Student Innovation Swadeshi for Atmanirbhar Bharat Travel and Tourism. As it is a student innovation category, we have thought of a web package for tourists' better travel and secure experience. For this, we have initially designed few features for a simple and user-friendly experience. ID generation: an encrypted tamper-proof ID based on citizenship through KYC is generated for seamless travel and instant verification. This is generated in a procedure where initially the tourist provides their personal details and emergency contacts in the front-end interface provided, which will then be connected to OAuth provider for verification. After verification, the smart contracts produce encrypted IDs which further be stored at an address in the blockchain provided by MetaMask, which then further displayed in the front end. User-friendly features. In user-friendly features, we have provided three main facility features for better tourist experience. They are accommodation for hotel booking for the tourists and also budget-friendly booking. Hidden gems to show the famous, underrated, and also represents the geographical culture places. Reviews, where the tourists share their reviews in form of pictures, reviews, and ratings for other tourist guidances. The accommodation and hidden gems are set in a certain way where the datasets are initially passed into JSON, later applied on TomTom API, where the tourist API is connected and parallelized with the customized TomTom API for detection of nearby hotels and tourist spots. Geofencing. Geofencing is one of the safety alert system feature that sends alert to tourists whenever they are near any risky zones. Here also we use TomTom API to create a customized API by parsing the dataset onto JSON and then onto our customized TomTom API by creating a customized dataset. Here, the tourist is tracked through automation procedure by parallelizing the location onto the customized API for zone detection and alerts when the tourist approaches the risky areas by verifying it through risk assessment. If there is any risk, then the blockchain query is generated for retrieval of the tourist details for emergency calls and SMS. AI detection is also a part of the feature where it provides solution and alerts for three particular problems, that is route deviation, prolonged inactivity, and weather forecasting alerts. In case of any of these problems, there are alerts that are generated similar to the geofencing method. Protection and security. Protection and security are presented in such a way that the tourist data are protected in the blockchains, and then in case of any suspicious or spam users, the necessary steps are taken and they're also detected. And it also contains a multilingual support for enabling tourist communication in smooth and effective manner by using an API of I18N and I10N for localization and international things. Here we have also designed an architecture for our problem. That is, initially in the first step, the digital ID is generated where authorization and authentication takes place. Then all the IDs that are generated are stored using smart contracts in the blockchain. Then all the data is loaded using the data loader. The dataset that we have provided, such as TomTom and other datasets, are stored in these datasets, which are then pre-processed for better analyzation and production of insights. These insights are useful for training of the AI and then for a detection of the validators such as route deviation, geofencing alerts, weather forecasting, prolonged inactivity, traffic congestion, crowd density. And in case of any of these validators detection, then the direct message is sent to smart contracts for verification. And along with verification, it is also used for checking whether in case of any malicious attack. In case of malicious attack, the attacker is directly sent to the step 9, else it is sent to the step 10 where the alert is generated and then also verified whether the alert is done or not. After this, we have also created a dashboard for a website where it contains all our features that we have provided.
The main purpose of our projects is to ensure the tourist safety and trust using the blockchain. So the interface starts with a simple connect wallet option where the digital ID that has been generated for the tourist is linked with a specific wallet address on the blockchain, ensuring that we have a secure backend integration. Once the wallet is connected, the tourist will go to the phase 1, that is citizenship selection. Based on the selection, the dynamic forms will be uploaded in the phase 2. So in the phase 2, the tourist has to give all his personal details like name, email, mobile number, date of birth, and next comes the phase 3 where the tourist has to upload all his emergency contacts so that if the tourist is in any restricted or danger zones, an SMS or alert will be sent instantly. In the phase 4, the tourist upload the important documents, like if in the case of an Indian, they has to upload their Aadhaar, if an NRI, they has to upload their passport or visa. So once the documents are uploaded, and then in a phase 5, a blockchain transaction is simulated and a unique tourist ID is generated. Finally, in phase 6, the system creates a digital ID card with a QR code that contains all the secure information and the digital signature. So once after the ID is generated, the tourists get access to the dashboard. Here comes the tourist dashboard that contains multiple cards. Like the emergency card is used to send an SOS or alert to the emergency contacts and nearest authorities for the tourist, and the checking card is used to track the exact live location of the tourist along with the latitudinal and longitudinal distances, and the show ID is used to show the digital ID information about the tourist, and the accommodation, it is used for managing the hotel or staying management details about the tourist, and the hidden gems card is used to discover the local attractions. Like it shows the curated local spot with the filtering options like restaurants, tourist places, shopping, and many more. Whereas the review card is used to share the travel experiences, it submits the ratings and reviews for the locations. Where the settings card is used to reset the data and start over. Like here is a block ID that is generated for the tourist, which consists of the digital and the wallet address.